Halfway, right? Go, ref? It's ref. Girls, retreats all the way to half.
Blue, retreat.
Yeah.
We also can't play it out.
There it is. Press forward now. Press forward, fingers.
Girls, defense, up forward. Hold in. Get the body pulling. Good, Charlotte. Good. Girls, face the ball.
No retreat line there, girls. There's no retreat line on that. It's blue when it goes out of bounds. Okay? Forward motion now.
Good, Addie.
Dribble in, Ella. Dribble in, Ella. Dribble in, Ella. Dribble in. Go, Scarlett. Go forward. Forward motion. Forward motion. Go, Leanna. Can we pass it forward to Ella? There, Ella, forward.
Good, Lydia. Your ball.
Back up now.
What's up, head coach?
She dribbled in. Go, girls. Go, Leanna. Guys, press them. Leanna, press them. Unlucky girl. Retreat line, girls. Three on the press. Three on the press. 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 Right now, that's Johanna. Dribble in. Dribble in.
And I saw you laughing.
Other side now, Scarlett. Annie! Annie! Go! You can go past Good girl. Go, go.
Good, Siobhan. Good, Charlotte.
Go, go, press. Forward. Forward. Forward.
Okay.
Forward. There we go. There it is. Go, Annie. Go, Anna. Sorry. Go, Anna. Go. Press, 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 press. Go for it. Go for it, Anna. Switch it now. Switch it. Too much pressure. Too much pressure. Leanna. Leanna. Remember your side, girl. Leanna, now you come back. Come back. Yep.
Aubrey, your ball. Siobhan, it's Aubrey's ball. So I want you moving forward. Aubrey, your ball.
Olivia, girls, press forward. Olivia's kicking forward. McKenna, dribble in. Press. Press her, Olivia. Press her, McKenna. Press her, McKenna. Press her, McKenna. Press her, McKenna. Girls, just watch your shot.
Hey, blow your whistle, Julia. Just let him know. Let him know.
Good girls, find your own shirt.
Just Olivia. Press, go McKenna, go for it. Go McKenna.
Aubrey, your ball.
Go, baby.
Girls, remember defense makes it. Good, Aubrey.
Go, press, Rosie. Press, Olivia, go. Go, Olivia, go. Go, Rosie. Charlotte, you're the striker. Get up there.
Give her an option, Scarlett.
Scarlett, other side. Other side. Yes. Go. That was great. Yep, Olivia, dribble in. You have the time and space. Wrong way, no. Open it up. Cannot give it up.
So if you do think that you go to stop play, anybody done their homework already? Give me a whip alert. Some people have done it. Julia, corner.
It's there for you.
Corner.
Scarlett, your ball. So Scarlett, one kick. Scarlett, one kick in front of the net. Good, Scarlett. Go, girls, go. Okay, your ball, Penny, your ball. Scarlett, get in front of the net. That was a good ball.
Press, go. No punch up, you two. You started on the other side.
Okay, go, Samantha.
Forward, yes. Start, move forward. Charlotte, move forward. Forward.
Good, Aubrey. Good, go, Evelyn, go.
Very good. In the middle. Go, McKenna. Go. Charlotte, you should be high.
Good, go, Scarlett.
Very good. Careful, girls. Corner, Andrew.
Okay, blue retreat. Halfway.
Go. Ray, over here. Ray, there.
Good, Aubrey, your ball. Siobhan, move forward, Siobhan.
I might come.
Let's move
Come
forward.
on, girls. Can you mark up? Stop watching the ball.
Aubrey,
Pick it
your
up.
ball.
Pick it up. Very good. You got it. Move. Give it a shot. Give it. Charlotte, turn it. Go. Parker. Space. Ref substitution.
ball. Orange ball.
Girls, there it goes. Everyone push forward. Get the dribble in. Play. Now you gotta pass it, Hannah. Now you gotta pass it. Annie, ball back to the dribble. Hey, Annie.
Yes, good pass. Go, Ella. Anna, you're striker.
Anna, you're the striker. Why you should be way up high? Not you, Hannah. Girls, Hannah Morgan, McKenna Morgan, Danny will pick her up. Press forward now, press forward. Stop there. Yes. Play, girls. Let's go, girls. Come on. Let's go, Ella. And Anna to the net. Come on, Leanna. Come on, girl. Don't bunch up. Anna, in front of the net. You're the striker. Mark up. Mark up. Mark. Mark. Stay marked. Keep it in. That's you now, Annie. Annie. Good job, Hannah. Come on, get it back. Get it back, girls. Stop time. Very good. Stop time. Come on, Ella. That's you. Step, 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 Ella. Step. What I mean by step is go for the ball. Okay?
So Laura, I want you to move forward. Okay?
Mark.
And Olivia,
Mark.
you're gonna cover.
Mark.
Right there, that's good. So you're kind of like pivoting, does that make sense?
Between them and the net.
Good job. Girls, high fives and then attack.
Girls, you have to mark, right? Okay, girl, work it up, work it up.
So Addie, we're gonna have to play outside. So you and Charlotte can go side by side.
All right.
So Addie, outside. Yeah, right there. See the circle?
Let's go, girl. Let's go, girls, let's go.
Roll it.
Andy, I think some energy for you, girls. Switch it, switch it. Okay, touch it. Yes. There it is. Much better. Our ball, Hannah, you dribble in. Up the line, Hannah.
Yep, go ahead, run away.
Very good. Very good.
Laura, that's a good position. Stay there.
Play on, girls, play. Pick it up, Morgan.
Oh, good job. Laura, I want you to take the corner kick. Corner kick. So just one big kick. Too short.
Mark off Leanna, you're off high strike. Leanna, mark off 34.
Olivia, far side, okay? There you go.
Follow her, Ella.
Good, Olivia.
That's better, girls. Relax, Ella, relax.
Good, one kick, Laura.
3.
Good job, Abby.
So that was all we want. It's gonna be 40 minutes. You have the ability to count one goal, and you could put a G on your spreadsheet, but
I want to be the shifting, okay?
Charlotte, you're going to play.
that's your last touch.
I'm going to be
Hey, wait for the whistle.
Yeah, I want Ella to move into the middle. I want Ella in the middle. Ella to stay on. Play it forward. 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 Good job, girls. Hannah.
Julia, sub.
Charlotte.
Oh, I'll just suck it. Hey, let's go. Hey, I'm trying to give you the energy. Let's go.
back. Let them get back. There we go. Now we're good.
Higher. Rest girls, they're playing! Charlotte, they're playing! Go for it, Ella. Ella, now play! Don't look at me!
Was it touch?
Girls, press them in there!
Something else.
Ready, Robbie?
Scarlett, be in front of the net!
On the goalie, Charlotte! On the goalie!
Scarlett, you're the defense. What are you doing? There, you gotta follow her. Here comes Scarlett, it's going for her. Okay, go for it, Ross! Oh, unlucky! So Scarlett, you can't pitch so high. You can pinch a little bit, okay? High press three. High press three.
More convincing. More convincing. Okay?
High press. High press. Go for it, Olivia. Again. Again. Hey, Ella. Come on, score in it. Okay. Yeah, Scarlett, you're in the backside. Ella, go for it now. Move into space. Handball. Scarlett on ball. Scarlett on ball. Okay, Scarlett, back up. Back up, Scar. Drop, Scarlett. Scarlett, drop. Scarlett. Scarlett, drop. Thank you. What is it? Is it? Oh, pause, pause. It's Scarlett on ball. Scarlett on ball. It's Scarlett on ball, Olivia. The ref needs to be clear. Is it a penalty shot? It's a free kick. Scarlett on ball.
Look for a rebound, girls.
Charlotte, in front of the goalie. Rosie, in the box. Ella, in the forward position.
Rosie, get in front of the net.
Raylan, stay there. Olivia.
Olivia.
Scarlett, it's yours.
Get ready, Rosie.
Let's go, girl. Scarlett, you have to wait for her whistle. Wait for her whistle.
Rosie, tuck it in, Ross. Out of the circle.
So Scarlett, make a pass.
Olivia, on the next shift change, you're the one staying on the field. High press on. High press. High press. Go, Olivia. Go for it. Go.
Keep wet, keep wet.
Cycle, cycle. Oh, there we go, Ella. There we go, Ella.
Oh yeah, I stepped in.
Don't punch up. Scarlett, that's you. Scarlett, that's you. That's you. Working, no booty there. I want to go down to the side. Scarlett, Scarlett, Scarlett.
Let go, Scarlett. Go, Scarlett.
Was that recent? Was
That's
that...
fine. That's fine.
So what they're doing now, like, once it starts
Rosie didn't come off.
I was wondering how they managed to have so many.
Come on, Rosie. There, score this. Slide. Anna. Anna, down the line. Anna. Oh, Anna. Down the line. Never in front of the goalie. Anna, come in. Support Anna.
So did you have an internal?
Yes.
On 14!
Honor Anna. That's your girl.
I've been asking for help for a while.
Anna on 14.
He
Anna.
really good. Like,
Number 14.
Retreat!
He's a city
Abby,
fan.
retreat!
sorry, yeah.
Girls, quick swing back.
I don't watch European football. I watch him
Hey,
live.
down there, Olivia.
Let's go, play,
Good,
girl.
Addie. Good run. Come on, Addie.
Olivia, keep going.
I've
Outside.
been watching Miami.
Don't give up!
Olivia, don't give up.
Good, right idea. Okay, girls, retreat.
Oh, get out.
Blue, retreat.
It's actually quite funny.
Evelyn.
Or quite fun.
Remember what I said.
Ev, you gotta run back.
To Anna. To Anna. To Anna. Anna,
Go, go, go.
forward. Forward.
Good, Addie. Keep going, Addie. Good. Hey, girls, back up.
Up here,
Addie.
not too far though.
Addie.
Oh, there we go.
Go, Olivia! Carry, carry!
Very good. Very good, Annie.
Yes, Annie!
Yes, Annie.
Go, Olivia! Girls,
Get ready for. There's no retreat.
get up, Olivia!
There. Go score. Oh, it's a handball, but it's okay.
I didn't see a handball. Julia, how's the time?
Now, no, move forward. Just stop there. Okay. Rosie, move forward. There's no one behind you. Move forward. Rosie, there's no one behind you.
Dribble, Annie, dribble!
Dribble in, Annie. Shoot it, girl. Good job, girls. Come on in.
That's halftime.
Yes.
Two whistles and three whistles.
You'll have to drive.
You did two whistles and then you made just three at the half.
Here, quick.
Oh, I actually
Come here. Come here. Quick.
So remember, my first thing that I would say to you,
Girls, you're
you're not going to be in control
great job.
because there's only one. That's the only one. So, yeah. So if you hold the handball, clear foul, right? We'll just make sure. With the hands,
Scarlett, I want you to play the ball more into space forward. Okay? Charlotte, that's your job. Press 5, right?
Well, let's do the second half.
Okay, so girls,
When you need to stop, stop. This is why with the menu, you're always reaching.
Girls, it's their ball.
Okay, so what you can do
Scarlett,
is
Liana,
just
Ella.
record the goal.
It's a high press right off the bat. You understand?
Okay, Omar, do you think you can record the goal? Sure.
And then
But that's
Charlotte,
something you'll have to get
out of the
each
circle.
AR
Then go right away.
whatever you're working with.
Out of the circle.
In your case,
There you go.
you don't want to mark it up. For me, I've always got my
It's only 20 minutes. Coach, how long are the halves? 20 minutes?
25.
25.
Yeah, we started late. We kind of ran.
Come on, Scarlett.
Still gonna run.
Go, Scarlett. Press forward. Into space. Into space. Liana, into space. Liana. Let's go. Go, Ella. Keep it in, girl. Keep it in.
There we go.
Aubrey, you're
No, no, you had it
Scarlett
right.
here.
You had it right, but yeah.
Ella, in front of her on the ball. Liana. Liana. Now you mark. Good pass.
That was that a dribbling?
No, just kidding.
So, what should
Get
you
your
do?
ball, Aubrey. Aubrey, your ball.
That was
Stand between her and the net, Ella.
Get Charlotte more center.
Scarlett, more center mid. Oh,
Aubrey.
handball.
Aubrey, you gotta be in front.
It's just a dribble in.
So 2 touches.
It's a dribble in. I don't even know what to call that.
I'll talk to her about it now.
Yeah. It's not a free kick, but it's just how we take it.
Good. Scarlett.
Oh, yeah. Let it out. It's retreat line, girls. It's retreat line. Liana, pay attention. Let's go. Charlotte, here. Charlotte, all the way up. All the way up. Keep going. Keep going, Charlotte. Keep going, Charlotte. Keep going. Liana, move.
Don't walk with it in your mouth. Yeah.
Scarlett, this is yours. Scarlett, drift in. Just drift and stay. You gotta back up a little bit. Back up. Press. Go for it, Ella. Go for it, Ella. Press it, Ella. Okay. Scarlett, get in the middle. Get in the middle. Thank you, Hannah. Retreat line. Oh no, no retreat.
What is it?
It is retreat.
Yeah.
Retreat line, Scarlett. Retreat line. It's retreat line, Scarlett. Scarlett. It's retreat line.
Scarlett, you gotta be in their end.
Doesn't help if they have a Scarlett on their team too.
No, the other coach just said they got all our names.
High press. Liana, girls in right away. Liana, girls. Charlotte. I told you to remember. Pinch in. Scarlett, pinch in. Pinch in. It's Blizzard ball.
It's orange. Orange one. That's Blizzard, yes. You're right.
Scarlett, go back. Scarlett, go back. Yes. Go, girl. Go, Scarlett. Hey. Back up, Scar. Right here.
One of you has to have her.
Raylan's behind her. Behind her, Raylan. Just keep going behind her. It's called goal side. Got it, girl. Press over, Liana. Let's go. As soon as she dribbles in, Liana, you press. Scarlett, more in the middle. Yeah. Press her. Yes, you will. Liana. Blizzard goal. Blizzard, yep. You're too close, Blue.
Blue, back up. Blue. There you go.
Scarlett. Scarlett. Get it back, Scarlett. Go for it, Ella. Get it back, Ella. Get it. Very good, girls.
They were closer than
You're submarine. Go up the line, Liana. Go. Through the middle. Go, Hannah, too much. Pass middle. Good job. Good touch, Ella.
overtime.
Ella, dribble in right away. Scarlett, press high. Scarlett, go. Dribble, Ella. Dribble, Ella. Go, Liana. Oh, unlucky. Scarlett, you're off, girl. Good job.
Charlotte.
Yeah, Good job. Doing great. Whose ball is it, Brad?
It's blue ball.
I just learned it. It's okay, she's learning. Hey, call her back, Raven. That's yours, Anna. Go for it, Ray. Robbie. Unlucky. Raylin, stop. Raylin, back up. Raylin, back up more.
Okay, right away. Stop, girls. Stop at half.
And
Other side.
Go.
press. Press, Olivia. Very good. Here we go. Here comes the goal. Corner. Corner. Olivia, in the corner.
It's a corner.
Hey, McKenna.
Hey,
Now you have to go Raylin. No. Hey, Raylin, you're the last back. Line of defense. Okay, and Anna, go in. Shoot it, McKenna. One more. Gotta go, McKenna. Press. Press, McKenna. Let it out. Let it out. Dribble in, Anna. Dribble. Cycle it, Anna. Anna, cycle it, Anna.
Oh, you were gone. You were
Let it out, girls. Dribble in, Olivia, right away. High pace, high pace. Oh, Olivia. Now it's deep in our end. You gotta keep it in their end. Hey,
Mark up. Mark up,
you gotta go
girls.
back, Rosie. Olivia, you have to go back and help. You're the wingers. Rosie, go back. You have the striker.
well,
Girls, defense especially, you gotta pay attention, okay?
Okay.
Hey, girls, retreat!
Hey, Annie. Girls, you should be here too.
Quick, quick, down the line. Down the line. Down the line.
Good, Penny, your ball, Penny. Addie, it's Penny's ball. Remember, defense. Good girls, watch the movement. Good, Penny.
Yes, Annie. You got it, girl. You got it.
Dribble in right away. No, Annie. You have to dribble in to the sideline, Hans. Rosie, here.
So, Penny, get back in defense.
Give it the ball to Rosie.
Girls, we gotta defend. Penny, look behind
Lou,
you.
back up. Okay. But that's where.
yeah, oh yeah, well,
Go on, Olivia.
Have a shot, McKenna. You got it. No retreat. No retreat.
Good girls, moving forward.
Back up, Olivia. Back up, Annie. Annie, you have to back up.
so I can
chose to.
Annie, is Annie staying? Who's staying? Jackie, who's staying? Annie, stay in the striker position. Anna, don't ask her. Charlotte. Annie, you're going to play the right wing. Charlotte, striker. Scarlett. Go, press forward. Down the line, Leanna. Leanna, down the line. Cycle it now, you got to cycle.
You really need to
Hey, Hannah, I need you to stop thinking back pass every time. I need you to press it forward. Okay? Leanna, get ready for the pass. Here it's coming. No, on the ground. On the ground. Good. Press forward now, Hannah. Down the line. Down the line. It's okay, Hannah. That's better. It's better. Okay?
Now mark up.
Now mark up. Blue ball.
Leanna, you gotta have one of these players.
Hannah, stop running around like crazy. Just mark the player. Let's go.
blue ball.
Annie.
Annie, your player's over there. You're not the striker.
Leanna, your player's right there.
Go, Annie. Go for it. Go with her, girls. Go with her. Right away, Scarlett. Dribble in, Scarlett. Dribble in, Scarlett. Leanna, get ready.
But it's hard
Ella,
to
you need to
justify
press
that.
higher.
You don't have to wait
Dribble in,
for the
Scar.
keeper
Dribble.
to wait for you to reset to play it in.
Yeah.
Get it back, Scarlett. Get it back, Scarlett.
Good job.
Good job, girls. Mark up. Very good job, girls.
Well, my game is at 10 and we have free PDL. It's an hour early arrival time. So
Good job, Ella.
arrival for 10:10 and then the next one is 12:40 and it ended around 12:05. So we have 40 minutes in between. Finish there.
Pay attention, Charlotte.
Change.
Yes, good pass and go, Annie.
It's an indoor. It's supposed to be a turf field, but it's also going to have
Hannah, watch these players back here.
back up.
Dribble. Look for the pass. You can dribble. Push it forward, Scarlett. Into space. Forward. Forward.
Genesis.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know.
Akron.
Tuck in behind her as needed.
So like,
That's you, Scarlett. Come on, girl. Scarlett, look at Leanna.
Three of them.
Charlotte, don't crowd her out.
It'll be
Leanna's there?
Okay, Leanna, help her back.
oh yeah.
You, Annie, this is you. Leanna, great job.
There's supposed to be another
Leanna, great job.
Mark up, Orange.
Ella, you gotta watch that. Okay, Ella, you have to be behind her. Ella,
But anyway.
you have to stand goal side to her, which is behind her. Behind her,
now
Ella.
with that
There.
flooding.
That's called goal side. Okay, here it goes. It's going to her, Ella. Hannah.
But
Good job.
It's your ball, Hannah. It's your ball, Orange. Refs, substitutions.
yeah.
come off because we're about to get you guys new instructions.
Going on.
Scarlett, you're going into striker.
And so
Scarlett, you're going into striker.
it's really hot. I think it's orange.
No.
So that's always fun when you got substitution going on indicated. Then the players are on at play, and so now as a referee you need to pay attention.
Eden, work hard, work hard.
Away from the net. Much. Braylon.
Now, Olivia, you gotta get up.
Go, Olivia.
Go, go, go! Yes!
Yes.
Go! Yes!
Come on, Robbie.
Hey, Blue, find an orange shirt.
Yes, Hannah. Braylon away. Yes, Braylon. Come on. Hey, Rosie. Roz, go. Keep up. Let's go.
Also, guys.
Ref, how much time left? Time is right.
I got 7.
7 minutes. Thank you.
Let's go. You go that way,
Up, no way. Other direction. Hey, girls, I don't want you switching it right now. Okay?
Now, Olivia, you stay at ball.
Anna, come go back. You're not the striker. You're not the striker. You gotta support. Anna, you gotta support.
Good job, Hannah.
Away from the net.
Yeah, but it's really tough play. If she pushes downward, we see a little bit of downward motion.
Yeah.
Hey, girls, wake up. It's not a dribble in from there. Is it a throw in or a dribble
Okay,
in?
it's on that side.
Well, there's no throw-ins.
Oh, I don't. It's in the corner.
It's a dribble in.
Yeah, so it's a dribble right at the outside.
Not in front of the net.
Not in front of the net. Not in front of the net. Dribble forward.
Keep moving, you guys.
Good. Dribble forward again, Ray. Raylene, dribble forward. Dribble forward. Dribble forward.
No, goal kick, goal kick.
It's a goal kick.
All right.
It's a retreat line, right? So, yeah. It's a retreat line goal kick. Teams. Get ready, girls. Get ready. Rosie, stay in the middle high. You're the striker, right?
Move up, Olivia.
In the middle, Rosie. In the middle. In the middle.
Yeah.
Carry.
Olivia, carry now through the middle.
Yes. Go, go.
Olivia, you gotta get rid of it soon. Good. Dribble. Dribble, Anna.
See Rosie.
See Rosie.
What is the net?
Good. Take your subs. Ref substitution. Ref subs. Subs. Olivia, you're staying on. McKenna, you're staying on. Center mid.
No, she said he left. And then we'll go back to the ball.
Anna.
So,
Scarlett, striker.
that's what I'm thinking of doing. But I didn't.
Anna. Annie, here. Annie, here. Right side.
Because there's a guy.
Rosie, come off. I can tell. Come on, quick. I know we have too many. We have one too many. Get ready to go back on, Rosie. Go, girl. Marvin, orange shirt! Marvin, orange shirt! Again, corner again, girls! It's a corner, Olivia, hurry up! Olivia, let's go!
It's our ball.
Olivia, it's our ball! You have to kick it in. You can't dribble in. You can't dribble.
Aubrey, behind you, Aubrey.
Get it back. Get it back, Raylan. Get it back, Raylan. Way to go, Raylan.
I don't know what she's calling.
And she might need a sub.
Rosie. Back D, Rosie. Raylan, you come to me. Hey. He's out of... Girls, girls, back up. Around outside the box. Let's go, Morgan. You got this, girl. Good. Come on, quick. Girls, play with some pace. Let's go. Let's go. Girls, it's retreat line. Let's go. Front. Who's our back D? Ella, are you the back D? Be it. McKenna, you're the back D.
Did she miss it?
Better.
Turn and go.
Did she miss it?
Girls, I need focus now. Okay? Hey, Ella,
Okay,
center mid.
whose ball is it?
Penny, your ball.
Yeah.
Penny, your ball.
Right away on your players.
Ella, come on, get it back.
That's okay.
Center for Ella.
Blue ball. Blue ball.
Blue ball.
No, blue ball. Blue ball.
Guys, drop.
Guys, gosh! Annie, you're the winner. You're not the striker. You have to help on D. Right away, Blizzards! On the goalie, Ross!
Retreat.
It's retreat!
Now, Olivia, move up. You don't need to be there.
Move it forward, Rosie! Move it forward! Oh, girls! Go for it, Ella! Dump it, McKenna!
Fair enough.
Go, Olivia.
Go, Scarlett! Go, Scarlett! Go, Scarlett!
Oh, you go back forward?
Yeah.
I don't.
See Scarlett
Yeah,
now!
MUSC could be blue.
Get Scarlett!
Blizzard could be
Ella, I need you more focus, girl!
like it here. You're talking about
Other side, other side, other side! Quick, girls, quick! Quick! It's retreat line!
Whatever junior high it is, it's like green and red, black.
Ella, I need you to find and dump it forward for Scar. Quick, quick! Play fast! Forward, get it forward! Move the ball forward!
Go help out, Annie. Help out, help out.
Press her in, McKenna! Press her, McKenna! Press her, McKenna! Press her out, Olivia! Pick it up, Morgan! Right away, Morgan! To Annie! To Annie! Annie, turn around!
going on, right? Yeah. So, fourth and